katatapos ko lang maligo and I'm going to use this Sierra Hydro L Formula Sunscreen with SPF PE+++. Dahil nga sobrang init ng panahon ngayon, so hindi pwede na wala tayong gagamiting sunscreen sa mukha natin para naman makaiwas tayo sa sunburn or init ng sikat ng araw, para iwas drying. And perfect nga itong napili ko na sunscreen from L Formula na Sierra Hydro kasi hindi siya makati sa mukha, mabilis nang i-blend, and perfect talaga kung yung skin mo is super dry. I like the texture of this as well dahil yung texture niya is watery siya, so it means parang tubig lang talaga, hindi siya malagkit. Now let's try to use this one. I will show you the texture of this. Look at that. It seems like a water. Yes, watery po yung texture niya. So, hindi ka talaga mahirapan mag-blend dito. So, kung naghahanap ka ng sunscreen na mabilis lang i-blend, hindi cakey, mabilis maka-absorb, and at the same time, meron din siyang glowing effect. Yes, after kong gamitin to, I will show you na meron siyang glowing effect. Hindi ka talaga mahirapan mag-blend dito. As you can see, seconds lang na blend po na siya without any hassle. Hindi siya cakey. Talaga namang sobrang worth it niya bilhin.